So today we're here in Houston for STEM Greater Houston in partnership with ASME and the ASME Foundation. So we're here to partner together to bring STEM to the community of Houston. We have all kind of different hands-on stations for kids to engage in, from technology, flying drones, to chemistry demonstrations, and from seeing astronomy in the Star Lab. So we have all kind of things for kids to kind of engage them, expose them to the opportunities of the 21st century.
It has been a magical morning to witness firsthand the energy, the excitement, the optimism of young people who are getting their first, for some, experience and exposure to STEM and to the engineering profession, to see that spark ignite in their faces and what it means and how it's pushing them to ask hard questions and be a part of problem solving and to work and to learn about teamwork is rewarding. And it also ensures and gives me comfort to know that I'm optimistic for the future. I'm optimistic about the number of students that will consider careers in STEM, and I'm even more optimistic of the global impact STEM Global Action will have.
The drones were really cool because I like things that fly, like airplanes and helicopters, and things that you can control, and so for me to be able to do that, that's pretty cool. I want to be an engineer, but I also like sports, and so a basketball player.
Events like this are super important for our students here in Spring ISD, but anywhere and all students. As you can see, there's hands-on learning. Students are being asked to put their defenses down and get involved with experiments, with different ways of thinking, with creating. And oftentimes, students are not asked to create and they're not given the opportunity. Most of the times, they're just duplicating and regurgitating what they've been taught. So events like these are super important because unfortunately, we're not able to have it in our schools every single day.
As you see, the heat coming off is smoky, so sign that a chemical reaction happened.
Because ASME is committed to supporting and empowering the next generation of problem solvers to advance engineering for the benefit of humanity. That's our mission, and we can't do it without organizations like STEM Global Action, who are committed to inspiring, engaging, and exposing that next generation to the wonders of STEM.
This is just so empowering, this day. What this does is it lets kids find their own inner creativity. It lets them be themselves. Kids are just naturally curious, and when you give them the chance to say, go touch everything, the way Calvin started this morning, he said, hey, this is my stuff, you can play with it. That just gives them a freedom to be who they are. I really believe in STEM literacy for all kids. We're not necessarily trying to make them all into engineers, but everything we do is manufactured or has some technology in it, and they need to be empowered to know how.
We got this little bitty dude. So the big dude got way more energy than the little bitty dude, right? I let this go. Boom! You see? That's how football players get hurt, right? So you got this big old linebacker. Now you got this little bitty cat. Boom! So energy. So you can do it to the cat.